Okay guys, this is LEGO Avengers by Marvel. This is 76126. This book is the size of a magazine, so just to go ahead and let you know, it does have 159 pages in the book. But just to give you a kind of an idea of what the set looks like, this is it. It does come with two bad guys sitting there, and then it comes with this cool little car, which is a three-wheel motorcycle, and it does roll like so, and you can actually go ahead and put one of the guys here holding on to the handlebars, and then of course roll it around. So let me go ahead and give you a few features on the LEGO set itself. Okay, so this one is called Captain Marvel and the Skrull Attack. So a couple of things. Number one, this will actually go ahead and open where you can put someone as a driver. The wings of the ship do go up and down. These will actually go ahead and move up and down as well. Let's see. This part as well will open so you can actually see the inside compartment. Let's see. Let me see if I can go ahead and turn it around for you here. The gun that's on the back will go ahead and move forward and move back to go ahead and shoot behind the ship. And then on the back side, let's see if I can move it around a little bit more. There we go. On the back side, this actually cargo drops open so you can actually see the inside of the ship as well. Go ahead and give you a full 360 view so that you can see what it looks like. These little propellers do move. What else? Keep turning it around so you guys can see it. This is about 12 inches long, so you're looking at about a foot long. And then, of course, it is a little bit more than a foot wide. So, anyway, just wanted to go ahead and give you a demonstration of that.